Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Fedora Linux 43 server edition on VMware Workstation. Okay, first go to Fedora official website and download. It is fedora project.org. See here, at the time of making this video, the latest release is 43. See, 43 Fedora Linux 43 released. Over mouse on this Get Fedora. See here we have the Workstation, KDE Plasma, Server, Cloud, CoreOS and IoT. So click on the server, then click on download or click on download now. Both are same. Then see here we have the Fedora Server 43 DVD ISO. So click on this download button. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 3.2 gigabytes. I am cancelling this one because see here I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. Once download is completed, then open VMware Workstation. Click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same. Click on next. Now select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then click on browse. Then go to downloads. See here I have the Fedora Server DVD ISO. Select it. Then click on open. Next. Now provide the name for the virtual machine. Name can be anything. This is just virtual machine name. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Then select the path where you have the enough space to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine hardware information. If you want to customize any one of these settings, then click on customize hardware. Then see here by default memory selected 2 gigabytes. I want to increase it to 4 gigabytes. Or you can provide the memory in megabytes in this box. Okay, click on close. Click on finish. Don't select this power on this virtual machine after creation. Then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, click on edit virtual machine settings. Or right click and select settings. Or go select it and go to VM and select settings. Okay, all three are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is install Fedora 43. Hit enter. If cursor is grayed out, just press Alt Control to release the cursor. Now select the language and click on continue. See here we are installing Fedora Linux 43 and see it is server edition. See, the begin installation is grayed out. We are unable to click on it. Why? Because the options that are marked with red color must be filled or configured. So select the installation destination. I am going with the defaults. Then root account. By default it has selected disable root account. If you want, you can enable, or you can create the account. Then set the password. Then click on done. Click on create user creation. This is user full name. This is username, and add administrative privileges to this account. Require a password to use this account. Then provide the password. Confirm the same. Then click on done. Software selection. See, by default it has selected Fedora Server Edition. Time and date. I am okay with these settings. Once we configure these three options, we are able to click on begin installation. Okay, review these settings one more time. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on begin installation. See, installation has been started. This will take time. I am going to pause this video. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. Then we will reboot the system and we will perform the post installation steps. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, installation has been completed. See, Fedora is now successfully installed, ready for you to use. Go ahead and reboot your system to start using it. So click on reboot system. See, we have the Fedora Linux 43 server edition and web console links. See, can use localhost or IP and port number 9098. Now click on here. Then you give the user that you have created or root. Then provide the password of this user. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Now verify the version. more/etc os-release. See, you got the information. Fedora Linux 43 server edition. So control it. If you want to verify the IP of the machine, just go ifconfig. See, this is the IP. Okay. The first step after connecting to Fedora Linux server 43 is we have to update the packages. Sudo dnf update ampersand sudo dnf upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user. It is typo. Hit enter. See, it is going to install 9 packages, upgrading and replacing 107 packages. Okay, type and hit enter. Okay, this will take time. I am going to pause this video. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Fedora Linux 43 server edition on VMware Workstation. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.